explore a little bit and look for a place where we can fly the drone. That seems like a good place over there.
Gopro walk. Okay, now my plan is to drive a little bit there around and we come back.
Can you record your phone?
Yeah, I'll do it. Connect to aircraft.
And there's an ugly human face. What's that drone? Oh yeah, it's windy now. It's cold. Cold wind.
And we wait a little bit until we get GPS.
The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
Wait, be careful.
Home point, Justin, you see, you can adjust home point, we can do to the car and just come back to this place.
This?
Okay, Justin, let's do it. Let's take it.
Take off. The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
It's heavy. Look, now we're gonna... Let's try now. Now we're gonna... Let's try now.
You allow me to video. Can you go down again and then you take off? Go down again. Go down again and then you start to.
Isn't it more windy?
Because I wasn't ready.
Yeah. But we don't go very high, we go like
There?
30 meters or something.
30?
Yeah.
That's still high. Like this piece, like 10 meters.
Okay, let's take it off.
And there's more wind though, isn't it?
You see meters, how much you go up? Let's go how much? 30 meters?
25, 20.
21. Okay, let's go.
Can I try?
Yeah.
I'm not gonna do high.
Where is it? Over there. Can I see what's there?
And then it just plummets.
Make the soft movements. Oh yeah, I see it.
It's UFO. Can I drive like there? I don't want to lose. I don't want to be responsible.
I think we can go a little bit higher.
How far are you now? 150. What's max distance away?
I go up a little bit. 30 meters.
No, I mean away. How far is the
I think
difference?
this is good enough. It's 230, 40 meters.
Isn't that kind of a lot?
It's not so windy here.
Now you're above land, right? Yeah. Can you look
You have to wear
down?
your
Straight
jacket.
down?
You see in the map?
I know,
you
but I
can see.
mean, can I look straight down with camera?
Let's stop and see. No wind blowing something, you see?
Oh, you're look down more.
Oh, you can look around.
All the way
I'm
down.
already on the island.
If you go further down and the drone falls, it'll survive.
Oh my god, my eyes tearing up. Huh? No, it's
Where are you now?
I'm 500 meters
What if the
away.
birds attack you?
Yeah, it can happen. Just look here.
Yeah? That's 500. Isn't that way too far now?
It's a little bit far.
I think you should turn back.
Yeah, I'm turning over.
Yeah, a strong wind. I think you should go back, really. Can you do the home point thing? Oh, you're driving back now. Oh, it has.
It's vibrating now.
Why?
A strong wind alarm. Oh, you see, I'm flying back. It's so nice, you know. 500 meters away. I'm Somewhere far,
Aren't you
far.
behind those far trees?
Behind this island. You see? We are here, Justin. Here.
Where's the drone? I don't see.
You cannot see it so far.
Those birds can attack.
Look. Now I'm passing the island. Now I'm on the water.
Where are we?
I'm coming. You see this is the line? Oh,
Yeah.
wrong.
I don't see it.
Wrong. I have to follow this line.
Where are you
This
now?
line. It comes where I left.
But you should follow the red. That's where you are.
Yeah. Oh my god. I have to be gentle now. I'm flying like crazy.
You're going really fast. Still don't see it. That bird I thought was the drone first. We're still 100 meters. I hear
I
it.
hear it now. Oh yeah, here, look.
Oh, that is so high. I thought it's gonna be like there, not this high. Can you land?
Uh-huh.
I think you should land there for safety. It's so small.
Yeah.
I think land there, maybe. Don't land in trees. Oh.
Oh my god, that's close.
I think land now. Like go to left, and land here. It's good. Yeah, here's good land. Then you're gonna land in the water.
Oh, land here.
Don't drive on me.
You know, you have to just remember
Land.
it's opposite.
I think you can land now. It was so far away.
Landing.
It was just, you know how long?
How?
Let's see now, we can see.
And only 33%.
Oh, you're shaking, huh? Put some clothes, don't be shaking. Go, don't worry.
No, but where's Papa? I'm on.
Go, put jacket and come back.
Okay.
Don't freeze.
I'm not.
It's beginning to be very chilly, and I need to wear something warmer around my neck and gloves. My hands beginning to freeze. There they are. Can you wear this, Lua? Oh,
Take off. The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
okay.
I don't want.
Where is it now?
Can I try flying off?
Yeah, you're next.
Where is it?
You fly now.
Where is it?
Go like 60 meters up.
Okay, how do I control again?
This up. Go 60 meters up.
And what does this do? Two sides.
Up. Slides and turn. Go up. Go 60 meters up.
Isn't that high already?
No, go 60. Yeah, go 60. Okay. Now you go forward. This forward.
Yeah. Isn't it? How is this again? Isn't this drive sideways? Oh no.
It's turning. It's turning.
Where are we going?
Wait, stop now. Oh yeah, now you fly.
Where are we
Fly
going?
forward. Watching the camera and fly to the forest.
Yeah, but where are we?
Go to the right a little bit.
Here?
Yeah, this one. Yeah. Go to the right.
To the right?
Be gentle on don't do faster now.
Yeah. But I can fly forward fast, right?
Yeah, forward you can.
Where is
keep
it?
full far. It's there very far, but you look.
Oh,
at
I see it. I
look
see
at
it.
the screen. Look at the screen. Go to the forest. What's behind the forest?
This? Where?
Maybe a little
Do I
bit.
go behind?
Go a little bit higher. Go a little bit
Oh,
higher.
isn't this already too high?
No. You can go 100 meters, but it's going to be strong wind. Go a little bit up. More. 80 meters go.
75. 75.
Yeah, because the one you hit the tree.
Yeah, look how high we're above the trees. Look, Papa.
Okay. Now, yeah, you fly forward. Fly forward.
And if we fall, the trees will protect. Oh, it's a house. I don't wanna.
Don't go over. No, you don't go over the house.
Yeah.
You're going here. You go straight.
Here?
Uh-huh.
I don't want them to say we're spying.
They don't see it.
Do I turn now to left?
Yeah, go forward. Go forward.
We're already 500 meters since that too far. Above the water?
You can while
Above
you
the
fly.
water?
Yeah, you can while flying. You can turn and turn with that. Don't do sharp. It's nice video.
Like this. Maybe I need a haircut soon.
You know,
Yeah, I know.
go.
Above the water?
Yeah, go there. Other side.
Oh, that's gonna be too far, right?
Can be too far.
It's already
That's fine.
500 meters, isn't that the limit?
No, you can go like 2
2?
kilometers.
Oh, okay.
But you know why you have to fly higher?
Can you take
Go-
control,
go
right?
higher.
A little bit?
Go higher.
Can you take control a little bit? I just need to.
Because we don't want to lose the signal.
And I don't lose the drone.
Yeah. We're going now against the wind, so maybe soon we're gonna get alarm.
I think I can go down.
Now you're going home. Look.
Yeah,
You
I
see
can
we
take
standing here.
control
Can
now.
you go back?
I follow this red, right?
Yeah.
Okay, I think I go down. I go a bit.
Don't go too low. You
Yeah.
know, because, yeah.
We're already 80 meters. Look how high. Maybe like 75.
Strong wind. Go forward. We are here, you know.
That's 500 meters away.
Lift a little bit up.
Oh,
Yeah, that's cool. You're flying 7.3 meters per second. Is
7.6.
Yeah, quite.
Now
fast.
I go.
So you don't have
lower.
so much wind.
I'll go lower.
Are you
Now.
recording the...
You see this line? You're going exactly home.
Yeah, I
Is
see.
it being recorded on phone as well?
There we are. I see.
You see? I don't see you. It's very strong. Now, you look at the camera. At the camera. At the camera.
I don't see it at all.
Oh yeah, I see it.
Where?
Hi.
How? Where?
It's against the light. They're just there. You're standing in the place now. You're not flying. Watch it. Okay, go forward.
I need nice footage. Look at the phone.
Yeah.
Go. Yeah, it's coming. Very fast, I go. Can you lower it down now, maybe?
I don't know where it is still.
There.
I see it.
Yeah.
The sun was blocking.
Oh. But you can play with this. Get
Yeah.
used to play with camera on. I mean, with
Can we
phone.
turn on cinematic mode?
It will be
Yeah.
slow.
Take cinematic.
If you do gentle on the, because cinematic is not good if it's windy. It's very slow.
Is it windy?
Yeah, up there is very windy. Just be
It's
careful.
nice on video
Yeah.
if you have cinematic.
Should I land?
Maybe if you're not too high, cinematic is very nice.
Yeah.
Should I land?
You can land. We can go somewhere else now. Can you land here, Justin?
Here?
Where we standing?
Okay, I just need to look directly
Don't
down.
go in the tree.
Okay, I'll begin the descent.
Go all the way down.
Oh, mommy. Mommy, excuse me.
Very good, Justin.
Landing.
We're gonna off the camera. I have this.